The day is September 5, and this will be my first video. I was inspired by the idea that YouTube is the information and memory library. So I decided from now on, I will upload all the memories and information in this platform. So anytime I can also check it back and remember those days, those happy feelings and all. And for this first video, I'm going to share what happens in a day for a normal corporate employee. So I woke up 6:30 a.m. and my work hour starts at 9 a.m. After giving my wife a morning kiss, diretso na ako sa banyo to prep. So brush my teeth and then take a bath. So we have shower sa unit pero I rarely use that. Mas gusto ko yung timba. Yung unang buhos daw kasi malamig, so kailangan iwasan. I cannot do that if I will use a shower. And then after shower and after makapagbihis, so I will decide na what to wear na shoes. So for today, I decided to wear these boots kasi it keeps on raining na sa Maynila since month of September. Buwan ng bagyo, so ang daming bagyo lagi. So ito kahit mabasa okay lang. Then before heading out, I will use my earbuds. I usually listen to audiobook habang papunta sa work through Spotify. So right now I'm listening to Atomic Habits. Hindi ko kasi ito mababasa na. Rather, wala akong time magbasa na. Pero since may audiobook, I can still do my self-improvement habang naglalakad papasok. I usually walk papasok, hindi ako nagko-commute. I tell you the reason why later. Pero as you can see, yung tinadaanan ko namang walkway, marami naman ditong kasabay. So usually they walk din papunta sa trabaho nila. And it's a nice view din naman habang naglalakad early in the morning. This is the main reason kaya lakad lang ako pumapasok. Sobrang traffic sa Maynila. So yung time spent mo in a traffic is not worth it. Baka ma-late ka pa sa trabaho. Since nandito na ako sa green walkway, so I'm sure malapit na ako nito sa office. And here at the office, parang airport. So security check, okay na ang bag. And time to go upstairs. So I'll take the lift para makapunta sa operations floor. And voila, dito na ako sa office. And hindi rin ako late since 9 a.m. pa naman yung start ng shift. Pero I will start my deliverables na. And meron din mga early morning meetings na kailangang attendan. So hindi pa rin ako nagbe-breakfast, later na lang yun. After doing the morning deliverables, meetings and all, finally makapag-almusal na. So it's 10:30 a.m. So ito lang yung breakfast ko for today. Kape, tsaka donut. So first food intake sa araw na to. And then babalik na rin ako sa workstation ko para magtrabaho until lunch. So yan, game na ulit. Game face on. So ngayon, it's my lunch time sa wakas. So I just eat this galing sa convenience store sa baba ng building. This is grilled liempo. So 1 PM na ako nag-lunch para konti lang yung tao sa pantry. I really admire yung pork and spoon nila. Kasi kahoy, pwedeng biodegradable. Sana yung lalagyan ganun din. Now back na sa workstation. So this is the final leg ng work day. So hanggang alas 6 na ako magtatrabaho nito. So more on meetings and then real-time assistance, Team performance, improvements and all. So yun lang usually yung ginagawa ko sa last leg ng work days. And then yes, tapos na yung araw. So tapos na yung work schedule, uwian na. And madilim na rin sa labas. And umuulan. Pero thank you sa pagstay sa akin sa video na to. Until next time. Thank you.